Hello viewers, today I will show you how to open a new document in Adobe Photoshop. So this is our Adobe Photoshop welcome screen. We can create a new document either by clicking new file, then a dialog box will be pop up. Then here is several template. If we want to create a print ready files, then we can select this. If we edit photo, this is template. This is fixed size and width, art and illustration. If we create a mobile screen design, and this is film and video. This is all a ready-made template, but I will use custom preset details. I can provide here name, say today date file, editing file. I can fix 1920. It could be 15 by 15 so that it is square size. I can click select here pixel, measurement, inches, whatever it is, as I like, millimeters, inches, whatever as per my project requirement. Then I can be select this orientation. This is square size so that its orientation should be fixed. I can click artboard and resolution. Resolution is 72 if we want to edit photo, and 300 if we want to creating print ready files. Color mode will be RGB if we want to edit photo or creating photo editing, or CMYK color if we want to make print ready file. And this image will be 8-bit. 8-bit will works fine with low configuration PC, whereas 16-bit and 32 bits require more higher configured PCs or laptops. Background, we can provide background color white, black or transparent. Usually use white. And color profile must be working RGB, sRGB and square pixel, that is as usual, and then we can create it. So here it is the document, new document, editing file. The name is showing here. Okay, we can do the same with the file new, same dialog box open and same info you should to put in here. So I hope you have learned something from this video. If so, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that you can get and notified when new videos like this will be published. Thank you viewers, take care.